Integrated with R&D, production, marketing, and service, Beijing Fanch Machinery Company Limited is a professional enterprise, namely Fanch, stone carving, and exact laser. We are mainly specialized in manufacturing CNC router, CNC machining center, 3-axis and 4-axis engraving machine, plasma cutting machine, and laser machine. Most products have obtained ISO 9001-2008 Quality System Certification and International CE certification. Our products are sold well to worldwide, like Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and Middle East. Warmly welcomed and highly praised by our customers, the outstanding capabilities and efficient services of our products have also promoted us to the leading position in this CNC industry. After years of development, our products have been widely applied in wood, stone, acrylic, aluminum, industrial board cutting, art craft engraving, mold processing, building decorating, and furnishing. We insist on innovation and scientific development, adopt advanced skills in and abroad, and use reliable parts to ensure the whole performance. To survive with credibility, we have established smooth after-service network and strong technique support to ensure you the high efficiency in using our machines. Relying on the strong technique power, we assured you with the gradual and continuously perfection in the performance and quality of the machines, which has distinguished us for mechanical design and process engineering and makes CNC techniques transferred to industrialization become true.